Hello and welcome to another update on HBAR Hedera hash graph. Today, we'll analyze the latest price movements, key support and resistance levels, and what to expect next based on Elliott wave theory. Looking at the larger time frame, HBAR is still holding above the critical support level at 20.8 cents something. While this is a positive sign, there's still no confirmation that a substantial low has formed. The key support range remains between 20.8 cents and 25.7 cents, and a retest of this zone is possible if the correction continues. HBAR is currently following two Elliott wave scenarios. The blue scenario suggests that the correction is still ongoing, potentially leading to another low. The white scenario considers the correction as completed, but it lacks confirmation. Right now, we are seeing a sharp pullback, and the price action suggests that the C wave to the downside could be unfolding. Based on Fibonacci extensions, a potential downside target is between 12.9 and 13 cents, where key support levels align. If HBAR holds above 20.8 cents, we still have the possibility of one more rally. Both scenarios suggest another upward wave, a wave 5 push, but we need to see a 5-wave structure develop for confirmation. On the short-term chart, there is a micro support at 29.8 cents. As long as this holds, there is still a chance for one more high in the rally. However, we have not yet seen a full 5-wave move to the upside, which is crucial for confirming a trend reversal. For bullish confirmation, we need to see a 5-wave move up to signal strength, a higher low after the 5-wave move to confirm an uptrend. Until then, we may see another move down toward the 12.5 to 13 cent range before a potential recovery. That's the latest update on HBAR. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more crypto updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next update.